Good morning. Let us discuss today sets of rule. There are two important rules or orientations, sets of rule. Another one is Hoffman rule. They are just opposite. In sets of rule, in this reaction, highly substituted alkene is formed as the major product, whereas in Hoffman orientation, Hoffman rule, the least substituted alkene is formed as the major product. Let us study further in detail. In this, we will study about sets of rule with an example. For example, 2-bromobutane, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 2-bromobutane. When 2-bromobutane is treated with the alcoholic NaOH, is heated or reacted with the alcoholic NaOH, it undergoes parallel reactions. It gives two products. One is 1-butene, another is 2-butene. In this case, 2-butene is formed as the major product according to sets of orientation or rule. Highly substituted alkene. This is highly substituted alkene. This is not highly substituted alkene. According to this rule, hydrogen atom is preferentially removed from. This is a dehydrohalogenation reaction. Hydrogen atom is preferentially removed from the carbon atom with the least number of hydrogen atoms. So there are, you will see in the next slide, there are two possibilities. The first example for sets of rule, dehydrohalogenation, that is elimination reaction, obeys sets of orientation or rule. 2-bromobutane, this is again 2-bromobutane, on heating, it gives two products. There are two possibilities. You can remove hydrogen from this carbon atom with the highest number of hydrogen atom. This is the carbon atom with the least number of hydrogen atom. Okay. So, in this case, according to this rule, hydrogen atom is largely preferentially removed from the carbon atom with the least hydrogen atom, not this. Therefore, 2-butene is formed as the major product with 80% of yield, and also 1-butene is formed with 20% of yield. Another example which obeys sets of rule or orientation, dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol also undergoes elimination of water following sets of rule. It also follows sets of rule. On heating 2-butanol, this is 2-butanol, 1, 2, 3, 4. The OH group, the functional OH group is present in second carbon atom, therefore 2-butanol. On heating 2-butanol, again 2-butene is formed as the major product, and also 1-butene with less yield. So highly substituted alkene is formed as the major product here. According to this rule, according to this sets of rule, hydrogen atom can be removed from here, can also be removed from here. If hydrogen atom is removed from here, dehydration, it gives 1-butene, less substituted alkene. So according to this rule, hydrogen atom is removed from this carbon atom with the least number of hydrogen atom. Therefore, 2-butene is formed as the major product. Let us study Hoffman rule. This is just opposite of sets of rule. For example, quaternary ammonium salt, alkyl sulfonium salt, alkyl quaternary ammonium salt on heating gives least substituted alkene is the major product. In Zaitsev rule, highly substituted alkene is the major product. Let us see in detail. Let us study Hoffman orientation rule. What is Hoffman orientation rule? With two examples. Quaternary ammonium salt. This is represented by formula R4N plus OH minus. It is a derivative of nothing but ammonium plus ammonia on reaction with the alkyl halide with 4 moles of alkyl halide. It gives quaternary ammonium salt. We have studied in amines chapter. Okay, so this is how synthesized by reacting ammonia with the excess alkyl halide. Ammonia with the excess alkyl halide. This is formed as the product. For example, this is one example. Okay, on heating this quaternary ammonium salt with the sodium ethoxide. This is sodium ethoxide in ethanol, dissolved in ethanol. It gives least substituted alkene as the major product. There are two possibilities. There are actually three possibilities. CH3 cannot form alkene. This can form alkene, 1-butene. This can form also ethylene. But this is formed as the major product according to this rule, because least here ethylene is the least substituted alkene, whereas 1-butene is the highly substituted. This is the least substituted alkene. Therefore, ethylene is formed as the product, major product. According to this rule, hydrogen in Zaitsev rule, hydrogen atom is removed from the carbon atom with the least hydrogen atom. Here, hydrogen atom is preferentially eliminated from carbon atom with the highest hydrogen atoms. It is exhibited by Hoffman orientation is exhibited by compounds with the positively charged atom, compounds with the positively charged atoms connected to alkyl groups. Another example to clearly demonstrate this Hoffman rule. Here there are 3 methyl groups. It cannot form alkene. It can form alkene. This only can this alkyl group can only form alkene. There are 2 possibilities. Hydrogen atom can be removed from here. The bond is broken on heating. Hydrogen atom is removed here and C2H5OH is formed. Okay, hydrogen atom can also be removed from here. If hydrogen atom is removed from here, then 1-butene is formed. If hydrogen atom is removed from here, then 2-butene is formed. Because according to this rule, hydrogen atom is preferentially removed from the carbon atom with the highest hydrogen atoms. Another example, alkyl sulfonium salt is a derivative of H3S plus. H3S plus is formed by reacting H2S with H plus. Alkyl sulfonium salt is formed by reacting H2S with the alkyl halide. See, in quaternary ammonium salt, ammonia reacts with 4 moles of alkyl halide. In this case, alkyl sulfonium salt is produced by reacting H2S with 3 moles of alkyl halide. For example, in this case, this is alkyl sulfonium salt. Here, it cannot form alkene. It cannot form alkene. Therefore, this is only one possibility. Least substituted alkene is the ethylene, so is formed as the major product. This Hofmann orientation is exhibited by compounds with the partially charged atom attached to alkyl groups, different alkyl groups. Thank you for watching.